Hi guys! Today I show you how you edit a video with Filmora. You can click here to import your file, or you can just drop it as I'm going to do. In a previous video I showed you that there are different spaces for the media and audio files, as also for the effects and titles that you may want to add. So you need to take again your media file and drop it in your main workspace. Of course you could just drop it here from the beginning, but I prefer the extra step to avoid any error. You have the option to keep or change your video's resolution. Right after, you'll see your video's frames, and remember, in the top right corner of your screen you find the preview area of your project. Also, you'll see the playhead with the red scissor icon. The playhead indicates you where in the timeline you are currently located and allows you to move through the media files you place on the timeline. You can also zoom in or out your timeline in order to edit your clips easier. There are two ways to do this. First, clicking on the Zoom to Fit timeline icon in the upper right corner. Otherwise, moving your mouse either to the left or to the right while holding the left click. If you need to extract the audio track from your clip, you only have to right-click the video file and select Detach Audio from a list of different options. You'll notice the original audio file appears on the audio track. Here you can select and delete it. In order to delete unwanted clips from your recorded video, you can cut it into several smaller parts. You have to move the playhead to the beginning position of the video part that you want to remove and click the split or scissor icon. Then move the playhead to the ending frame of the video and click the split button again. With a double click on a selected clip, you enter to the video editing panel where you can rotate your clip, flip it, adjust the position, size, speed, use animations to zoom in or out the frame, and so many other options. Filmora also allows you to apply dozens of smooth transitions between video tracks using the Transitions tab, but we'll talk more about them in another video. Remember that you can always rearrange the order of your clips and add more tracks in the timeline. When you are satisfied with your editing, you are ready to export your video. Click the export button, choose a name for your project, and adjust the output parameters to get the best quality output. As you see guys, in a few simple steps you can create your own amazing video. I'm interested to help you master the basics and not only of this awesome software, so you can fully express your creativity. If you like this tutorial, give us the thumbs up and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our videos and live streams. As always, big thanks to Filmora for sponsoring today's tutorial, and of course thank you guys for watching. Bye!